Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. So, I welcome you again to your English class, and today we'll do writing a diary entry. Okay, so do you write diary? How many of you have the habit of writing a diary? If you have, do let me know through the comment section below. So basically, keeping a diary is a good way of recording the main events of the day. What happened in the day? How was your experience? So it's a good medium. Diary is basically a good medium to express your thoughts and feelings. It's basically an old practice, and great men in all ages have been expressing themselves through diary entries. A diary is supposed to be very personal, and one can write anything in it. Actually, no one is supposed to read someone else's diary, and no one likes it to be read by others. And moreover, writing a diary can help you cope up with stress and anxiety to some extent. So today we'll discuss about how to write a diary. And in this video, you will get to know about the format of diary entry, points that you must remember while writing a diary, and I'll share one example of diary entry. So, first of all, let's discuss the points to remember while writing a diary. So, the first important point to remember is that a diary entry is always written in the first person because you are expressing your own personal experiences or feelings. So, it should always be in first person. You should always use I or we while writing a diary. The second point to remember is express your true feelings and be honest. It means if it was a sad day for you, so you should write it honestly. You should write the reasons for it, and if you're happy, you should write about that. So you should be very honest while writing a diary. The next point to remember is that events should always be in an order. Like we always write diary in an order, like what happened in the morning, then afternoon, then evening, like this. Okay. So these were some of the points to remember while writing a diary. Now let's look at the format of a diary entry. So we start writing a diary by writing day, comma, date. And there's a particular format for writing a date. And if you're writing a date like this, it will be considered wrong. Okay, the correct format to write a date is like 28th August, comma 2020. This is the correct format. All right. And after that, in the next line, we write time, and we usually write time in PM because we generally write diary at night. All right. After writing time, we leave one line and then we write salutation, dear diary. Since we consider diary as our best friend, so we usually write dear diary. And after writing salutation, we write the content, that is the body of the diary entry. So basically, while writing the content, you have to remember few points like always begin the diary entry with a general sentence describing the day or feeling. Like you can start the diary entry with a sentence like it was a sad day or it was a happy day. Like this, you can start the diary entry. Now, the second point to remember while writing the content of a diary is that always prefer to use simple past tense, present perfect, or future tense. Okay. And one more important point to remember while writing the content is that always discuss about an event in an order and discuss your feelings towards it and how that event is likely to affect your future plans. And in the end, you can conclude with a final remark like what you will do to improve that situation or what you had already done to improve that particular situation. All right. And in the end, you will write your name. So, this was all about the format of writing a diary entry, and I hope you have understood everything. So, now let's look at one example of diary entry. Basically, in the examination, a specific situation or lead is given. You have to imagine yourself in that situation and then you have to write a diary entry. So here the situation is you have been to a zoo recently and you have to write a diary entry about that visit. You are Sohil or Neeru. So as we have already discussed that we have to start with day, comma, date, and then you will write time and then salutation, that is dear diary, and then you will start writing the content. So this is just one example of diary entry. You can have a look and you can read this.